What happens if I am hurt at work? If you're injured on the job in Missouri, you have rights under workers' compensation laws. Most employers with 5 or more employees or 1 in construction must carry workers' compensation insurance. This covers medical bills, lost wages, and disability benefits without needing to prove employer fault. Report your injury immediately. Missouri law requires notification within 30 days. Delaying could jeopardize your benefits. Your employer chooses the doctor, and treatment outside their approval may not be covered. Workers' compensation benefits give you 3 basic areas of coverage. First, the employer has to pay for your medical expenses to treat your injuries. Second, if you can't work while you're recovering from your injuries, you get paid temporary total disability benefits, up to 2/3 of what you were making before you got hurt. Third, you'll be paid for your permanent disability. Permanent partial disability means you'll get a lump sum payment once you've completed your medical treatment. A permanent total disability means you'll be paid for the rest of your life. Claims can be denied if insurers argue your injury wasn't work-related, a pre-existing condition caused your pain, or you can return to work sooner than your doctor advises. If your benefits are delayed or denied, call us. We'll fight for the compensation you deserve.